morning children. Now video number 5, chapter 2 numbers, we are going to continue that. The next topic we are going to learn is successor and the predecessor. Okay. Now you can see sketch pens here. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sketch pens. I have here 5 sketch pen. What is the first one? Orange color, second blue, third red, fourth green, then pink. Okay. Now first one is orange, second blue, red, green, pink. Okay. We have 5 sketch pens here. Now I am going to ask a question related to this. Which color is next to green color? Which color is next to green color? Next to green color is pink. Next to green color is pink. The succeeding of green color is here pink. Successor of green is pink. Isn't it? The successor of green is pink. Okay. Now, what is the previous color of green? What is the previous color of green? Green is here. The previous color is red. The previous color is red. Green is here. The previous color is red. What is the predecessor of green is red? What is the predecessor of green is red? What is the successor of green is pink? That is the next one. What is the predecessor of green is pink? That is the previous one. That is the previous one. Have you understood this one? I have 5 sketch pens here and I have orange, blue, red, green, pink. I asked you what is the next color of green. Next to green is pink. That is the successor of green is pink. Now, what is the previous color of green? That is red. Previous color of green is red. That is the predecessor of green. That is the predecessor of green. Okay. The same thing we are going to do with the numbers, with the digits. That is, when you write the counting, the successor means the next number, the predecessor means the previous number. For example, if I write here 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, the successor of 10 is 11. The next to 10 is 11. Next to 10 is 11. So, the successor of 10 is 11. The predecessor of 10 is 9. The predecessor of 10 is 9. Successor of 10 is 11. Predecessor of 10 is 9. Successor means the number after what you have done in first standard, second standard. Then the successor means the number after. Predecessor means the number before. Predecessor means the number before. In other words, if I can say successor means one more than that number. One more than that number. Predecessor means one less than that number. Successor means one more than that number. That is 10. Successor of 10 is 11. One more than that number. One more than 10 is 11. Now predecessor means one less than that number. Less than 1. So less than 1. Less than 10 is 9. Okay. 1 less than 10 is 9. Have you understood what is successor and predecessor? Successor means next number, predecessor means previous number. We can say one more than that number is successor, one less than that number is predecessor. So, I have written here few numbers. We are going to write the successor and the predecessor. Here, let us write the successor first. The number is 568, that is 568. So, whenever we write successor, one more than that number, so we are going to add 1 with that number. We are going to add 1 with that number. So, 8 plus 1 is 9, then 6, then 5. what is the successor of 568? That is 569. That is 569. Okay. Now we'll take the next one, 999. We are going to find the successor of 999. So let us add one number. So 9 plus 1 is 10, 0, 1 carry, then again 0, 1 carry, 10. What is that number? 1000. Successor of 999 is 1000. So now the next number is 6799. Shall we add one number here? So when I add 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 0 and 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 carry and 8, 6. So successor of 6799 is 6800. Have you understood how to find out the successor? Successor means one more than that number. So we have to add 1 with that number. Now we are going to write the predecessor. Predecessor means 1 less than that number. So we are going to subtract one number. We are going to subtract 1. So 700. From 700 we are going to subtract 1. From 700 we are going to subtract 1. So 0 minus 1 we cannot do. We have to borrow. You know that. So here also 0. So shall we borrow from here? It will become 6 and it is 10. So it is now again it is going to be 9. Isn't it so? You borrow like this. So 10 minus 1 is 9. 9, 6. So 699 is the predecessor of 700. 699 is the predecessor of 700. Understood? Now the next number is 867. 867. Now shall we subtract 1 here? 7 minus 1, 6. 6, 8. So 866. So predecessor of 867 is 866. 866. Shall we take the next number is 2200 minus 1. So here also 0 on the top. So we have to take borrow. So when we borrow from here 1 it will become 10. Again it will become 9 and here 10. So 10 minus 1, 9, 9, 1, 2. So 2199. 2199. So shall we take the next one? 8000. 8000 minus 1. So here again 10 and 7, 9 and 10, 9, 10. So do you borrow like that? Okay. 10 minus 1, 9, 9, 9, 7. So 7999. That means the predecessor of 8000 is 7999. 7999. Have you understood? The successor means one more than that number. Predecessor means one less than that number. Successor means the number after. Predecessor means the number before. Okay. Now I will give the work in the WhatsApp